Hi, today we're looking into appointment request form. So this is a simple form which will help keep track of all your appointments that are coming into your institution. So you can see we have certain fields like first name, last name, contact details, email address, and what is the date that works best with the customer, any other specific date, what timing they would like to have, and what services they're interested, and if they like to be notified for promotional services. So as the customer makes the entries over here and they click on submit, the responses will get captured over here in the responses window. Okay, so I just filled in details prior to recording this, and once I hit on submit, you can see that the response has been submitted. And if the customer goes back, they can see, you can see all the details that has been captured over here in the responses section. So you can just simply put up this the form link. So you can click on share form, you can click on the form link, and then you can put it up anywhere on your website or any other place where you want to capture these details. And once the customer fills in all these records and click on submit, the details will be captured in the responses view. Okay, so this was a quick demonstration to show you how you can use appointment request form to capture all the form responses. Now, another thing that I wanted to highlight was if you're looking to generate PDF documents in bulk, so let us say invoice documents, you take help of PDF output, which takes into consideration a Google document where you can define the invoice template, and it works both with Google Sheet and as well as Notion database. So you can simply put the data in the Google Sheet or Notion database, and you can define the template in the Google document, and it will start generating the PDFs in bulk for a use case. I have added video for demonstration for both Notion and Sheets. You can go ahead and check it out, and it will be helpful for your use case. So, besides this, if you have any other questions, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.